Hi, welcome to Hashtag Homemade. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make simple and easy coconut rice in an instant pot. First, here is a list of the ingredients. Now set the instant pot on saute mode at medium heat. Wait until it gets hot and add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of shahi zira, 6 cloves and 4 cardamom, 2 star anise, 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves, and saute this until the spices turn aromatic. Now add some cashews. Roast the cashews. Add 5 to 6 green chilies. Add 1 small thinly sliced onion. Add some salt and cook with the lid on for 5 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this for a minute. Next add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, roast the spices for a minute. Add some cilantro. Now for 2 cups of rice, I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk and 2 cups of water. Check taste and add salt if needed, and let this come to a boil. Now start adding the rice. Mix the rice, put the lid on and pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. Then do a 10-minute natural pressure release and the coconut rice is done. Serve it with a side of chicken curry, mutton korma or any curry of your choice. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get updates on more videos.